Hello everyone, welcome to Ramaile Padai. Today we are going to solve a question from Unit 5, Area and Volume, that was asked in ST 2080 at Gandaki Province, and the question says, in the figure, a conical object with a slant height of 25 cm and a hemispherical object with a radius 7 cm is composed to make a solid object. So, as shown in figure, the slant height of cone is 25 cm, that is from the length from here to here, and the radius of hemispherical object. So the radius is of hemispherical object from center of the hemisphere to the circumference is 7 cm, and both are the cone and hemisphere are combined to make a solid object. Okay, so here the radius of the figure of the cone will also be 7 cm because the base of cone and hemisphere are connected and hemisphere has radius of 7 cm. That is why the radius of cone is also 7 cm. What we can say is the radius of both the object is 7 cm. Okay. Now in A, what type of triangle is formed when the vertical height of the cone is drawn to give to in the given figure? Write it. If vertical height is drawn, what will happen? Let's see if vertical height is drawn. So this is vertical height. If it is drawn, then there will be right angle triangle. So right angle triangle will be formed. Okay. It's good. In B, what will be the total cost of to paint the solid at the rate of 25 paisa per square centimeter? So we need to find the total cost when the rate is 25 paisa per square centimeter. Okay, so here we will need to find total area, which will be curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. We will add those two areas and then multiply the total area with the rate to find what will be the total cost required. And in C, what is the volume of the solid object? So we will find the volume, but to find volume we will need the height of this cone. So using Pythagoras theorem we will find the height of the cone as well. Okay, so without any delay, let's start the solution. Given, we will first draw we will first write what is given to us. So slant height of cone we will write that as SH is equals to 25 centimeter and the radius R is equals to 7 centimeter. Now we will draw a figure. What kind of figure is this? First of all, let's draw a circle. Okay, and then a hemisphere. Okay, it is quite good compared to previous figure that I draw. So the radius here is R is equals to 7 centimeter and here the slant height is equals to 25 centimeter. This is what is given to us. Okay, now moving on to A, what type of triangle is formed when the vertical height of cone is drawn in the given figure? So we will write directly in language. If the vertical height of cone is drawn in the figure, right angled triangle will be formed. Okay, now we will draw the right angle triangle. So we will draw the vertical height as dashed line because that was not drawn, and we will draw this slant height and we will draw this radius. Okay, so this is radius, r is equals to 7 centimeter. This is slant height, sch is equals to 25 centimeter. Okay, and then this will be height. So this will be right angle triangle. Now moving on to B. What will be the total cost to paint the solid at the rate of 25 paisa per square centimeter? So we have rate and we will find what is the total area that needs to be colored, and from that we will find the cost required. Okay, here the total area that needs to be painted is total area is equals to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay, so total area TA is equals to, what is the formula to find total curved surface area of cone? It is pi r SS means slant height, and the curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Okay, now putting value, pi is 22 upon 7 times r is 7 times ss is 23, no 25, sorry, not 23, 25. Let's just erase that and write it clear. So sch is 25 plus 2 pi is 22 upon 7 times r is 7 and square of r. Okay, here we will cut 7 with 7 and we will cut 7 with square, because square means 2 7. So it will be 22 times 25 plus 2 into 22 times 7, and that will be 858 centimeter square. Now we will convert the rate into the year. The rate is given in paisa, so we will convert that into rupees. So here rate is equals to 25 paisa per centimeter square is equals to rupees 25 upon 100 per centimeter square is equals to rupees 0.25 per centimeter square. So total cost required is TA multiplied by rate. Total area TA is equals to 858 centimeter square, excuse me, times rupees 0.25 per centimeter square, and this will give us rupees 214.5. So we will write the final write it in language. So the total cost to paint the solid is rupees 214.5. So this is about the solution of question number B. Now moving on to question number C. Here we are asked to find the volume of solid object. So the volume of solid object is the sum of volume of cone and hemisphere. Okay, so volume is equals to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Here the formula to find volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h, and the formula to find volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. 2/3 pi r cube. We have pi, value of pi, we have r, we don't have h. Okay, so we don't have h in this equation, so I will write b for volume and I will give this equation first. Now using Pythagoras theorem, I made a mistake here. I first need to write what h is. So where h is equals to height of cone, and we will use Pythagoras theorem to find what is the height. So h is equals to root under s square minus r square is equals to root under 25 square minus 7 square, or h is equals to root under 625 minus 49, which is equals to root 576 is equals to 24 centimeter. So we have height. Now we will use that in equation 1. So using equation 1, volume is equals to 1/3 pi r square h plus 2/3 pi r cube. The laptop is being hanged, so I will just save it and then write it so that we can do it properly. So putting value is equals to 1/3 times 5 is 22/7 times r square. So r is 7, so r square is 7 square times h is what? H is 24 plus 2/3 times 5 is 22/7 times r. So r is 7 cube. This will give us 1232 plus 718.67. you calculate it, okay, which is equals to 1950.67 centimeter cube. Let me just help you a little bit. So 7 gets cancelled and only 7 is remained, and 24 3, that is 8 times. Here 322 I don't have actual solution, so like 7 here is 1 7 and here is 3 7, so this is cut down and this will be the answer. So I will write that in language. So the volume of solid object is 1950.67 centimeter cube. So this is about the solution of this question. If you have any confusion, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. And with this I am ending this video. So we will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.